Omari, Hutchinson. Hey, JFF, did we just unearth another gem? Let's find out. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. I know it's been a while, it's been a minute, but listen, we're back, we're here. Let's talk some football. Before we go any further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Today we'll talk about Jamaica's football. We're gonna talk about what we think and what I thought I made the start 11 should have been. Few changes. But before we go any further, please make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Listen, first and foremost, Keiran Mckenna from Ipswich City. Keiran Mckenna, well fucking done, fam. Now, Keiran Mckenna is an old Manchester United coach. He coached the under 21s, I think, or under 18s, and then he was coaching under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer a couple of years ago. Then he got the big move from Manchester United to Ipswich 2 years ago. Ipswich was what? Last in the league when he took over in the league two, qualified for the championship last year. Then boom, another promotion again into the Premier League, the big move to the Premier League. So big up yourself, Keiran Mckenna. You man know that when I watch the championship, it's all about Manchester United, young players that goes to championship, try to build them up. You know, I watched Ahmad last year, all the stuff. But I've watched Middlesbrough because of Michael Carrick and Keiran Mckenna because of, again, old Manchester United coaches. So I have to big him up, big man thing. He's going to be playing in the Premier League this year. I really do hope he does well so that other teams can bring him up. Maybe Manchester United, I don't know. But big man thing, big up yourself, Keiran Mckenna. Big up your blood clot self, yeah? Big up yourself. One more thing, people. This team right here, Real Madrid, number 36 La Liga. Remember, Real fucking Madrid. What a team, bro. Carlo Ancelotti, what a blow coach, fam. This man had Militao out. He had Courtois out. He had defender they bought from Bayern Munich. I forgot him again. I can't remember his name. The left footer. He was out for a vast majority of the league of the season. This man had too many, right? And the youth from I can't remember my name, it's slipping my mind, from Germany, right? Playing defense for the vast majority of the season. He had what's his name? Kamavinga playing left back, and this man still win the league with weeks and weeks to go. Big up yourself, big up your blood glad self, fam. Big up yourself. All right, now we get to the meat of the matter. This man right here, fam, Omari Hutchinson, bro. Omari Hutchinson. No, I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't even remember him to even put him in the squad, let alone the starting lineup. And but just before the last round, I mentioned how maybe he's gonna come to play for the team. I was like, no, he wants to focus on his football. I was like, okay, great. I didn't really feature him too much. I've watched him throughout the season because I've been watching, as I said, Ipswich, and I was like, yeah, whatever. I was so focused on getting Mason Greenwood into the team, even though we have no concrete information about Mason Greenwood joining the team. But I also focused on Mason Greenwood playing on the right-hand side of our forward line, that I didn't really think about him too much. But in this last patch of games, the last 3 or 4 games, I can tell you that the man has been stepping it up completely. No, he didn't really play much. He's been in and out of the team since the season, right? Now remember, this man came from Chelsea on loan from Chelsea. He was at Arsenal last year, moved from Arsenal to Chelsea, and Chelsea said, we're gonna put you in loan, and they just put him to Ipswich. And this man has been growing infinitively, leaps and bounds. This man has been growing every day, every game. You can tell that he's building up himself. He's getting stronger. His vision, oh my God. But before getting there, I do think that, the type of player that he is, it'll be perfect for Jamaica. Now, the first 3 or 4 times we saw him play for Jamaica, I wasn't impressed. I was not impressed. He was losing the ball on occasion, get the ball and try to take on a man. It didn't work. Turn back. It was not. It was not effective. And as a wide forward, you want to see your players going down the flank, cutting back, making crosses, doing that kind of stuff. And we didn't get that from him. I didn't get that from him. But he was young. And I thought, you know what? Give him time to develop. Give him a lot of time to develop. We'll see what he did. And no, this man towards the end of the season, this man has grown leaps and bounds, fam. This man has put his name in the start he put his name up for Chelsea to be a starter. I know them have like Mudway Keiran sort of people in Chelsea and they're going to buy other players, but I definitely think this man definitely could be. If not, he'll be going back to Ipswich because Ipswich need ballers anyway. But when it comes to the starting lineup now for Jamaica, the World Cup qualifiers, we already know that Liam Bailey feel like Jamaica are bigger than him. We know that Liam Bailey feel like him bigger than Jamaica. So we're not busy about him. I'm not playing for Jamaica again. I hope JFF can take them out of the mass and don't call them back. Them just, right? But with the Mason Greenwood situation aside, right? Because he's not signed for Jamaica, he might not even play for them. I don't know. We do have a chance to have him play on the right hand side of our forward line. Now, the last 3 or 4 games we've seen him play in the number 10 position because Burns play on the right side, but Burns was injured for a while, so he played on the left hand side and it was good, scoring goals, making assists, that kind of stuff. But for me, he has 2 positions that he could play: number 10 and on the wing. And the thing is, the funny thing about it is he's been effective in both of them. The last game he played the number 10 position. Not this game, not today, but the last game against Sheffield Wednesday, he scored 2 goals. Today again, right down middle, control the ball, boom, corner, goal with his right foot. So I do think that he can be effective in the number 10 position, but he can also definitely be effective in the number in the wide right position, right foot attacking forward position. So where should we put him? I definitely think he should play on the right hand side of the forward line, and then they can fluctuate and change around. Because I tell you what, this man has a pass on his foot, fam. Today I saw this man get the ball right at the edge of the box and just loop it over towards the attacking line, over the fence and towards the attacking line. That in itself shows you vision, and he has the ability to do it, and that is what we've been lacking, right? That's the tenacity that we look for when it comes to footballers, what they can do and the execution. So I definitely think, listen. I think he's worried about probably because I think he has like 3 games or 2 games or whatnot for Jamaica. So maybe he hasn't definitely put his name down, say he's a Jamaican yet. The commentators keep saying he's Jamaican because he represented Jamaica 3 or 4 times. I'm not sure. I need to do some research on that. But if we bring him to the Gold Cup, to the Copa America, I guarantee you this man will shine. This man will shine. So people remember Omari, Hutchinson, that blood clot man. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This has been the 4th Official. Listen, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.